Hi, this is Dan Nickerson. In this video I want to show you how to upgrade your related RSS plugin to the latest version. And I also have a quick tutorial on how to use our new PHP code, which allows you to insert the related RSS settings into a sidebar without using a widget, or you can actually insert it right into a post or a page or anywhere in a WordPress template. So I'm going to show you briefly how to use that code. Once again, that's for advanced users, and you shouldn't use it unless you have to. We do recommend just using the related RSS widget. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to my dashboard and going into my plugins. You're going to see that I have the related RSS plugin right here. Now to upgrade, you actually need to deactivate and delete it. All your settings are stored in the WordPress database, so when you delete it, you don't actually lose your settings. So you just delete that file, and you're going to delete all the files, not the database information. And next thing I'm going to do is click on Add New, and then I need to go and upload. And by uploading, it allows me to find the upgrade on my hard drive. These are the old versions of it. Actually have a, let me go back to version 1.1, and this is the folder right here. So I would double click the zip that you had downloaded to your desktop, and then I click on Install Now, and then I click on Activate again. And I do want to mention that we've made a change in the latest version, and you're going to see it says Acme Traffic Related RSS. And the reason we did this was because we have multiple plugins coming out each month, as you know. So we're going to be labeling them as Acme Traffic, and then you'll be able to find them all at the top of your listing. And also you can see down here it says Acme Traffic Related RSS Settings. So that is replacing the old version. So I click on Related RSS Settings, and you can see it now says Related RSS version 1.1, and also has all your original information still here. So here's the stuff that I'd entered into the database. Okay. And now next thing I need to do is go to an actual page. Let me go to a page here real quick and load one up here. This is our, I need one. Let me go to the FAQ page. Oops. Sorry about that. Hold on one second. Open link in new window. And you can see in the sidebar I have WordPress plugin news. So this is the demo that we have actually for Powered by Related RSS. And I'm going to go back here, and that's it. So essentially that's now set up and it's upgraded. So now I want to show you the new code that we have. In your README file, in the zip file that comes with related RSS, there's a README file. And in that README file we show you code. Once again, this is only for advanced users if you need to add custom PHP to use our plugin. There's code here. You're going to copy that code. And I do want to mention that you notice that 1 equals true and 0 equals false. That's important to note. So say that you want to add this into a theme. You'd go to Appearance, Editor, and I want to reiterate again, this is only for advanced users if you can't use widgets. So I would go to a sidebar, and let's say for example I want to add it to the primary sidebar in my code. I could actually go in here and I could paste this code. And you may want to put a little code in here so you know what this is. RSS widget. And I can actually copy that above and below so I know. Okay, so here you say feed keywords. This works just like the widget does. This will automatically insert the keywords into the feed if you want to do that. So I'm just going to leave that as is. This has how many items you want to display. So if you want to show 7 different stories, you can change to 7. This is if you want to display item content. 1 equals true. Yes, you do. 0 equals no. This is how many characters. So I could change this maybe to 150 characters. This is display item author if available. No, I don't want to do that. I'm going to change that to 0. Display item date. I'm going to change that to 0. Open links in new window. I'm going to leave it. I'll change that to 1. And then add no follow. I'm going to leave that as 0. And then I'm just going to click on update file. And then if I go back here, this is the current one that's in the widget, and I reload. You're going to see that this is the one I just created. So this is feed WordPress plugins, and then here's all the content here. And you can see that it has all the different things on it. So that's just an example of how to add it into a feed. If I really want to add it into a page, I can actually go into a page and do it as well. I'm not going to do it on this example because for with this particular template I don't actually have a page template because it's a child theme. But that's essentially how to do it. If you're an advanced user, you can use this, and I'm sure you can figure it out very quickly how to do it. One quick little change I'll just show you here. If I want to go in and say I don't want to display item content, I would just change that to 0 and update and then reload, and you can see that the item content all disappears. And so that's how simple it is to use. A little PHP include, and you add it to your site. So that's it for this video. Once again, I hope you to update, just delete the existing plugin and upload the new one. And then if you want to insert custom code, you can use this little tutorial. Thanks.